Hey you.
Hey you. Hey you.
Hey you.
Hey you.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe. Please subscribe.
Please go subscribe
Please subscribe to Santa Tot TV.
To Santa's Tot TV.
to Santa Tot TV.
To Santa Tot TV.
You will love it. Tot. No, wait. Not free.
Halima Sadia Suleiman, popularly called Pri Divi, is an Instagram twerker that really knows how to wind her waist. The young girl is really competing with the likes of Jamina and other Instagram twerkers. The Bursty Queen has gained more than 150,000 followers within a space of 2 months. This made people created so many fake accounts of her on Instagram, that got the twerker wondering where the accounts came from. At the time of this video, she presently has 176k followers, and following about 585 only shows how famous this young lady has become on Instagram. So watch her top 5 videos and be the judge.
Take your time and look on the man while you're wiping. You ready?
Him no normal.
No, they do me gunny, Aisha ways. No, they do me Scooby Doo, Aisha ways. No, they do me gunny, Aisha ways. Aisha ways, Aisha ways. They try me, they make me want polo. They play me like football. Era, rari. Over. I don't really care if you're older. Baby, call the rise from the shoulder. Hold on, let us go far away, miles away, far away, to a place where no one can dictate how we play. Let us go far away, miles away, far away, where no one can dictate. Body on che. I thought I don't mind the pepe dem. No ito mado, casi go be. Apato te rebe dawa. Soji, anyway, me I no go get. Not only you and the one.